In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between a through beam and a retroreflective photo eye. Hi, I'm Martin from doorautomation24.com. A through beam or one-way photo eye like this one consists of a transmitter and a receiver positioned opposite each other. Here, the transmitter sends a light beam to the receiver. If an object interrupts this beam, a signal is generated and the door's movement is immediately stopped. The through beam sensor offers exceptional interference resistance even in challenging environmental conditions. However, the installation effort, due to the mounting and wiring on both sides, is somewhat higher. In the case of the reflective photo eye, like this model, which is a favorite among our customers, the transmitter and receiver are housed in just one unit. In this configuration, the light beam is reflected back by a reflector located on the opposite side. If an object interrupts the beam, a signal is also generated here, and the gate is stopped. With the reflective photo eye, the straightforward installation and wiring are clear advantages. In high-quality models, interference is significantly reduced through the use of specialized reflectors and polarizing filters. As always, you can find all products at doorautomation24.com. The links are provided below in the video description.